Congratulations on your new Whirlpool washing machine. Let's take a look at how to install it.
Here are some of the tools you'll need. A 1 3/4 inch pliers, an adjustable wrench that opens to 14 millimeters, hot and cold water hoses with flat washers, a level, and a utility knife.
Using your utility knife, make a cut along the bottom of the packaging. Lift the box up and over the washing machine. Warning: this is an excessive weight hazard. Use 2 or more people to move and install your washer or dryer. Failure to do so can result in back or other injuries. Enlist the help of a friend to tip your laundry machine over. You can use some of the additional packaging to prevent the machine from scratching your floor. While the machine is tipped on its back, remove any additional packaging. Tip the machine back into a standing position. Open the lid to find additional materials, including a detergent sample, machine literature, and a drain hose. Now it's time to free the power cord from the back of the machine. Next, you're going to install the drain hose. Fasten the drain hose in place using your adjustable wrench. Place your drain hose into the standing pipe. Now it's time to connect the water hoses. Make sure your rubber washer is installed before connecting the water hose to the water line. Connect both hot and cold hoses to the water line and then connect them to your machine. Make sure both ends are secure using your adjustable wrench. Now to level your machine. If you find that your machine isn't level, prop it up with a wooden block and make adjustments to the feet. Check again to make sure you're level. Now you're ready to use your Whirlpool washing machine.